Ciao and welcome to another episode of Cooking with G. I'm your host, G. And today I have my sister Bianca joining us.
Ciao!
So what are we making today, Bianca?
Homemade pasta. So what are we gonna do to take the edge off?
Great question, B.
How did you...
Okay, so let's get into this. We're gonna play a fun little game. Every time one of us says pasta, take a drink.
This wine is actually from Sicily.
Kind of like your shirt.
Yes!
Where can you get that shirt?
This shirt is from Hardcore Italians.
So is mine! Also, you can get these really cool Italian flagged aprons on Hardcore Italian's website as well, which we're going to wear for today. And now you're ready to cook.
Salute!
Pasta.
So this pasta recipe actually originates from our Nana. Typically every single Christmas, we make it with her, and this year we wanted to share it with you guys.
Yeah, you also said pasta, so. So once all your ingredients are in your KitchenAid bowl, we are going to start the mixing. Pasta.
Lasciatemi cantare con la chitarra in mano.
Pasta. So we just finished the
all the
pasta.
It's laying on that tablecloth. We're gonna keep it out overnight, so just so it hardens. And then in the morning, it's gonna be Sunday, so it's perfect timing for Sunday dinner. We're just popping into a boiling pot of water and she's good to go.
Pasta.
Buonanotte! Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Cooking with G featuring Bianca. And we'll catch you on the next one. Ciao!
Ciao.